So you might be in a random situation where for some reason WhatsApp is basically telling you that login is not available right now. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very big reason why something like this is basically happening is because within your WhatsApp account, it might be the meta team, the WhatsApp team might think that your account is being a bot account or it's being, like a hacking account of some sort, or you might be doing a lot of spamming type of activity. If that is the case, then the best thing you're going to be better off doing is to just wait and let your account kind of cool down. If your WhatsApp account is just, constantly sending messages and people are reporting it, you're probably going to end up having an account that looks like this. So your best bet is to just kind of wait it out and just kind of see what's going to end up happening within your account. Now, if for some reason if that's not the case and you're just trying to figure out what's going on, you do have a little contact us button at the bottom of this particular page. Whenever you see this page, you also want to take a look out for this contact us panel. And you might just be better off clicking on the contact us option right over here. And that could also allow you to go through and basically contact WhatsApp and let them know essentially what's going on. From there, they might be able to give you an account, update soon. That's another thing. You can also go through and make your way over into your App Store or your Google Play Store and just search up for WhatsApp. And you could probably also just see if you can update your WhatsApp application. This is not a guarantee. This is probably the least amount of thing that's going to end up doing it. But that is also another idea that you have. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.